Looking for a beard trimmer that's powerful, cordless, waterproof, and even safe for sensitive areas like your groin? Well, I've got something that might just replace every grooming tool you own. This is the PRITECH Beard Trimmer for Men, a complete grooming solution that goes way beyond just trimming your beard. Hey everyone! I'm Ruhul Amin, a professional digital marketer and your grooming guide here on Raminmark, the go-to channel for real, honest product reviews. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for more grooming tech reviews just like this one. Today, I'm reviewing the PRITECH Beard Trimmer for Men, a rechargeable, cordless trimmer designed for face, neck, groin, and full body grooming. With a sleek black design, a smart standing charging dock, and waterproof construction, this might just be the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. The trimmer is sleek, lightweight, only 145 grams, and feels premium in hand. Made for all hair types, curly, straight, or coarse. Comes in classic black, elegant and masculine. Charging base and battery life. Standing charging base, just drop it in, no cable hunting. Keeps your desk tidy. Battery, 1200 mAh lithium-ion. 2-hour charge gives you 150 minutes of cordless use. Stainless steel precision blades, ensures a smooth, clean cut. Chamfered edges prevent scratches and irritation, even in sensitive areas. Ideal for beards, body, and private zones. IPX6 waterproof, use it dry or in the shower, no worries. Groom your face, neckline, underarms, groin, yes, it's that safe. Easy to wash and maintain. Full grooming kit breakdown. Comes with electric trimmer, standing charger, 4 comb guards, 3/6/9/12 mm, cleaning brush, USB charging cable, user manual, real-life usage pros, lightweight and travel-friendly, long battery life, versatile use, face to groin, very quiet motor, easy to clean, real-life usage cons, no display for battery percentage. USB charger but no wall adapter included. Who should buy it? This is perfect for any man who needs one trimmer that can handle beard grooming, hair clipping, and even full body manscaping, without needing a drawer full of tools. Also makes a great gift idea for birthdays, Father's Day, or Valentine's. So, that was my full review of the PRITECH Beard Trimmer for Men. What do you think? Is this the all-in-one grooming tool you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. Product link is in the description if you want to check it out or grab one for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. I've got more grooming gear reviews coming every week, only on Raminmark. Until next time, stay groomed, stay confident.